want to tell you a story about this plumber. This plumber named Terrance. Terrance is one of these kind of guys who's a gigolo. And when I mean gigolo, I mean not the rusty type of gigolo like he looks like, but just a gigolo who uses that plumbing title just to get into women's pants. And if you don't be careful, Terrance here can get in your pants. So you gotta watch out for them gigolos. Because this story I'm about to tell you is a true story. So listen closely to this story about Terrance the plumber. This is a dog production. Watch the video and don't shoot the messenger.
Already cooked.
Hello?
Tommy, is that you?
Mom? Oh my gosh. I thought we were being robbed.
No. Look, I had to come home for an emergency. What are you doing here? You're supposed to be in school.
It's Wednesday, remember? We have half days because of COVID. Wait, what are you doing here?
Hey.
Is someone else in there?
No, it's just a...
Mrs. Johnson, your bathroom is all finished up. It's done.
Honey, this is Terrance. He's a
Plumber.
You're a plumber.
That's right. I was just cleaning your mom's pipes in there and they were really clogged. But you're all set now. You're good to go. Take care, guys.
Aren't you forgetting something?
How's that?
Your tools. I'm sure you brought some.
Oh, yeah, I did. I already put them in the truck earlier, so, I just came back to do one quick test run, but everything's good.
Interesting. So what's the name of your company?
What's that?
Your plumbing company? I want to look it up. It must have a name, right?
Well, I work individually, so it's, I'm self-employed. There's really no company name.
So how'd my mom find you?
Craigslist.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. It's funny because I thought you were sleeping with my mom.
All right, that is it. You stop it. You go to your room. Sweetie, it's not what you think.
Oh, really? Because it seems like you're having an affair on Dad with the plumber.
Absolutely not.
Mom, stop lying. It's obvious the guy doesn't know the first thing about plumbing. He doesn't even have tools. Cut the BS.
All right. You're 100% right. I'm having an affair. But it doesn't mean that I don't love your dad. This is just a hiccup in your dad's and my relationship. Honey, I still love your dad. And this is just a one-time thing, I promise.
Well, I'm still gonna tell Dad.
What? Why?
Dad deserves to know.
Honey, this is not going to fix anything. Your dad's up for a big promotion, and he doesn't need this type of stress.
That's not my problem.
I'll give you some money.
Excuse me?
$200 to stay silent.
You want me to go against Dad for some money? I want the new PS5 and $2,000.
Done.
And I want it by tomorrow or the deal's off.
Deal. It wasn't easy, but I got what you wanted.
Holy crap!
I had to put it in the bag to hide it from your dad.
These are so hard to come by. You pulled off a miracle.
I know, I paid double.
Did you bring the other part of our deal?
Yes.
What's going on over here?
Honey, I gave Tommy an early birthday present.
Mom's having an affair.
Wait, what?
Yep. I came home early the other day and caught her in the bathroom with the plumber.
It's not true.
What the hell is he talking about?
I don't know.
You don't?
100% right. I was having an affair. But honey, this doesn't mean I don't love your dad. This is just a little hiccup in your dad's and my relationship. It was just a one-time thing, I promise. What if I give you some money?
Excuse me?
A couple $100 to stay quiet?
She thought I would keep quiet for some money, but I'm with you, Dad. Thanks for the early birthday gift.
I don't know what makes you a worse human being. The fact that you're having an affair on me? Or the fact that you got caught bribing our son with cash to keep quiet? You ought to be ashamed of yourself. What kind of mother are you? And I'd ask if you're sorry for cheating or getting caught, but you got caught bribing our son with cash, so that gives me the answer. What's his name?
Terrance.
Who?
Terrance.
Terrance. My coworker, Terrance. Well, luckily I got the promotion I was asking for. So Terrance is now an employee of mine. And now technically, Terrance is fired. Do you want to tell him yourself, or should I do it?
I'll never see him again, I swear.
There's no need to make promises like that. We're done. You can do whatever you want now.
What do you mean?
We're getting a divorce.
You're divorcing me? Honey, can't we talk about it?
We can talk about it in court. Pack your bags.
This is Egg Dog Production. Don't get caught with the plumber. And don't get caught with the gigolo.